Hello everyone, welcome to the 160 drill class. We're going to start off with some frequently used words. Okay, I'm going to give you the words and then I will read you the paragraph. Here we go, ready? Next, being, every, night, back, however, because, today, until, credit, today, believe, such, better, soon, here. And then here is your paragraph. Can you locate a copy of the new book, Night Color? I have heard it is an excellent novel. Every bookstore I visited today is sold out, and most do not expect a shipment until next week. However, you may have better luck than I in locating a copy. I believe the exchange at the Crossroads keeps at least 3 copies in stock or back-ordered of everything currently in print. Because I am very positive about your obtaining a copy for me, I hope to hear from you soon. If such is the case, use your credit card and charge it, save the receipt, and I will pay you back as soon as you send me the book. All right, now moving right into some phrases, common phrases. Here we go. Okay, let's see. In the, have been, we have, ask the, in order, N-O-R-D, at the, are not, we are, they have, whether or not, how much, will be. And here is your paragraph. Ready? About a week ago, we received in the mail the enclosed coupons. We have been very anxious to try these new products. Should we ask the manager of the store before we use the double bonus coupon in order to make sure he will honor it? They have had several discount programs at the store, and we are not sure whether or not this coupon will be honored. Please let me know approximately how much each discount coupon is worth. All right. Now moving right into a drill using word families that start with super. All right. Here we go. Superior, supervisor, superimpose, supermarket, superficial, superintendent, superstitious, superiority, supersede. And here are your sentences. He possesses superior intelligence. Mr. Jones is my immediate superior at work. Who is your supervisor? The new supervisor is Dave Kent. He will superimpose the image on the print. The supermarket closes at midnight. The robbery of the supermarket took place at 2:31 p.m. He was convinced of his mental superiority. The product superiority is apparent. Lisa is superficial and vain. Her ideas are superficial and selfish. The superintendent of schools is Mr. Clark. The building superintendent is in apartment 12. My mother is very superstitious. He is superstitious about everything. Will this law supersede the old law enacted in 2005? Will Mr. Coates supersede Mrs. Brown as chairperson of the board of directors? All right. Moving right into a number drill. I'm going to give you different time frames and then I'm going to read you the paragraph, okay? Here we go. 10:04 a.m., 3:25 p.m., 12:10 a.m., 5:35 p.m., 12 noon, 1:21 a.m., 7 o'clock, 12 o'clock a.m., 8 o'clock p.m. And here is your paragraph. Officer Jones's logbook indicated the time of entry was approximately 2300 hours or 2 o'clock. The time of the shooting was 11:32 p.m. as confirmed by a neighbor who heard 3 shots fired approximately 2 to 3 seconds apart. A car was seen leaving the vicinity of the crime at 11:35 p.m. It took the police 3 minutes and 45 seconds to respond to a call initiated by a neighbor at 11:42 p.m. The victim was pronounced dead en route to the hospital at 12:02 a.m. All right, legal terms. I'm going to give you the terms and then read the paragraph. Ready? Here we go. Individuals, reporter, defendant, plaintiff, verbatim, clerk, administers, jurors, presence, testimony, colloquy, verbatim, reporter, record, courtroom, oath, bailiff, swears, attendance. Here we go. There are several individuals in the courtroom at the time of trial. These include not only the judge, the attorneys, the plaintiff, the defendant, and the witnesses, but several other individuals whose presence is necessary. The clerk of the court keeps a record of each case that is tried. The clerk administers the oath to the jurors and swears in each of the witnesses. The bailiff or other courtroom attendants maintains order in the courtroom and remain on call to assist the judge in carrying on the business of the court. The court reporter records verbatim all testimony and colloquy. Right. I've got some sentences using numbers as well as a thousand, a hundred, and so on. So in that case, you're going to use your article A, and you would, if you were transcribing that, you would use those in words. Okay. All right, here we go. The document contained approximately 350 pages. There are nearly 50 typographical errors in the first chapter. The police estimated that the discovery would net the department over 100 ounces of PCP. Do you think that the room will hold 55 to 60 people? There are over 100 new residents in the city of Millville that are concerned about the 75-mile-per-hour speed laws. The automobile is worth over $11,000. Mary preferred the catalog when it was only 200 pages in length. The suspect was arrested nearly 200 miles from the scene of the crime. Brian won over $1,000 playing the slot machines. Most of the classes are 50 minutes with a 10-minute break between classes. I thought he gave me $100. Let me read that again. I thought he gave me 100 cases of motor oil. We invited 20 people to Macy's graduation party. Hopefully our bill will be under $200. Did you say you had 100 copies of the booklet? More than 60,000 people attended the concert at the Los Angeles Forum. Okay, moving right into some consonant compounds. And this is going to focus on initial KL, initial PL, final RNT, final PD. Ready? Here we go. The clock belongs to the clerk. Her closet door was closed. She clutched her clothes. We used the Kleenex to clean up. The clatter came from our classroom. Clyde's claim was clearly stated. Greg's plastic plates were on the placemats. Did you plan for plenty of food? The plot of plants was plowed under. She plugged the hole with the plunger. Did you see the play at the plaza? Where did you place the pleating paper? It is apparent your parent is present. Her errant son has returned. Will is a tyrant. Joe popped the top and capped the bottle. She mopped and sopped up the water. We supped and then we napped. Wayne ripped out the coupon and clipped it onto the refrigerator. And then supped is just slang for ate. We supped, like coming from supper. Okay, so that concludes our drill for the 160 class. Have a great day.